Bricia. Cooking has been a part of my life since I can remember. And one of the things that I am the most proud of is how much my son loves to eat veggies. So today I am going to show you my go-to vegetable technique. Let's get to mastering some veggies for you and your family. So the first thing we want to do is dry the veggies with your kitchen towel. I like to get that nice even cut and make sure my asparagus are all the same size. It just looks nicer for presentation purposes. Remember, when shopping for any of these, use honey to help you find some of the best prices. We are going to put our pan in the stove. We're going to add our grapeseed oil. You're gonna want to wait until the oil gets hot. Carefully, you're gonna place your vegetables in there. You're gonna coat the vegetables with the oil, hit it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of fresh ground pepper. You're gonna stir them around. And then you add another flavor modifier. What I'm gonna add is garlic, just because I really love garlic. And after that, add a little bit of the vinegar. I like to use a citrus champagne vinegar or any citrus vinegar, just because I like the taste of citrus with asparagus. Then I like to cover it just so they can get that steam going on. I know that a lot of people love to steam vegetables, and that's just the way they eat it, just steamed veggies, which is great, but it's gonna be a little bit hard for you to get your children to eat veggies. Now, to crush the nuts, again, we just put the nuts that you're going to use, a little bit of coarse salt, you smash them, and you add those directly on your frying pan, and that's pretty much it. Like, you're absolutely done. So here is the final product. You can do this with any vegetable. The technique is pretty much the same. So good. Eddie, do you love asparagus?
Thank you.
What's your favorite part?
The top.
The top? We need a napkin.